What's going on, guys? I realized editing my videos I don't need to scream, so I can talk normally, which is nice. So we're going to a car meet. We're going to crash a car meet tonight. That's the plan. I got some decals on me, which, by the way, if you haven't seen any of my decals, I'll throw it up right here, somewhere in here, and you can check those out. I'm selling them for $5 on my website at glcmedia.net. But I'm hoping to get back into the car scene, or the videography side of the car scene. Because I don't want to say that I miss the car scene itself, but I do miss the videography side of it. So that's what I'm hoping to do, is go out there and do some, quote, networking and see if I can get some, see if I can maybe pick up some clients or something. And of course do some dank wheelies along the way, so or try to. Shout out to my friend Gavin for giving me some tips. And shout out to Gavin for also watching the motovlog from my first one. Think I can do this without crashing? Nah, there's a car here. Yeah, what the okay. And this is what it's like living in Sacramento. Interesting. Okay. So while I'm heading out to this car meet, I guess I could tell you guys about, my time in the car scene. And for those of you who've been following the channel for a while, you've seen some of my stuff, but nobody really knows the background origins of Empire. Empire just kind of became a thing. I remember I was like Empire Productions, and like Empire was like the whole common theme of everything. So I remember it started all back in Lodi many, many years ago. And it was me, my buddy Robbie, and my buddy Tim. And we were all sitting at like a restaurant or a bar or something, trying to come up with a name. So we're all sitting at this restaurant, trying to come up with this name for this car club. And we had looking online and stuff, and trying to figure it out, and we saw Aces High, and we were like, oh, we could do Aces High.
What the f did I just hear?
But it sounded too much like a motorcycle club than it did a car club. So I think it was Tim that actually came up with the name Empire. And I was trying to figure out decals, and we had like a local shop in Lodi do it, and they couldn't get it right. And then I found another guy, Phoenix, I think it was like Phoenix Graphics. That guy was cool. He was doing our decals for a while, and it was just fun. It was a good time, and I think we only had like maybe 3 or 4 members, and nobody took it seriously, but it was just fun. It was relaxed, and that's what I loved about it. And so there was drama here and there, and Tim left and Robbie left, and just sometimes things worked out and sometimes things didn't. So I got a new VP. His name was Lawrence, who actually was the guy who was friends with the person I bought the 636 from. And so, which I'll still have to do a story about that one day, but that's a whole other thing. I don't know if that's ever... Actually, it's been on the channel once. And it's gone through a couple changes. Nothing too crazy. But a couple. So... So yeah, so a couple of people left. I got a new VP, and the club was growing, and had my buddy, my roommate Hunter, was in it wasn't officially an Empire, but he would attend, and we'd all go out to car meets, we'd all go do this, we'd all go do that, and I was getting a little, you know, I'll be honest, I was thinking quality or quantity over quality. And I was just letting anybody join, and I let a minivan in, and it caused a different disagreement between me and Lawrence. And Lawrence wanted to go do his own thing, and there's no hard blood or bad blood or anything like that. But you know, it just happens, and you know, the club moved on, and I moved up to SAC, and I started recruiting up in SAC, and you know, it was you know, I ran the club for, oh my god, long time. You know, 4 or 5 years. It's like 5 years of my life. And someone's brakes are squeaking. And yeah, so I ran the club for about 4 or 5 years of my life. Did different car things, ordered different, you know, promotional items. I have lanyards. I think I still have lanyards somewhere, which if anybody wants lanyards for free that say Cars at the Park, you can have them. I will give those away. If you want a free lanyard, just let me know. Message me in the comments, DM me at glc_media_, and I'll give you a free lanyard. You can have as many free lanyards as your heart desires. I don't care. Like, I don't even... Actually, I know what box they're in. They're in a box in my garage. It's like car club stuff. Oh, I don't know why I'm slowing down. I was in a light. That was so bad, dude. I thought it was a broken traffic signal. My bad. Oh. But yeah, I was hosting different car events and stuff, and it was just a chill time. What's this guy doing? Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it for sure, though. So the club got moved out to SAC, and, you know, things were good. We were still a club, and, you know, I made really good connections with Team Reckless, who I ended up becoming friends with Amanda and Ben, and, you know, just good times. There's a lot of cops out tonight. Yeah, but I became good friends with Amanda and Ben, and I met some really good people along the way. And so ultimately what happened was is my VP decided that he wanted to turn the club into a team, which was cool. But a lot, you know, doing that, you know, it became a lot more responsibility. It wasn't so much as, you know, show up and chill. It was, you know, I had to manage, and I didn't really want to manage because it started to feel more like a job, more so than anything else. And I wasn't particularly enjoying that. It wasn't a lot of fun at all. So we make it a team. I have to do bylaws, I have to do this, I have to do that. And it just felt like a lot more work than it did anything else. And I didn't particularly enjoy it. So I told the team we were hosting this event called the NorCal Seasons Opener. Biggest event I've ever hosted. The video is somewhere below. I'll link it in the description if you want to see it. It's just basically a small 5-minute clip of car limbo, which is pretty cool. But I told the team that I'm leaving after this event's done. After we were done with the season opener, that was it. I was gone. That was it for me. And if anybody wanted to take over the club, they were more inclined to do so. And nobody, I think one person messaged me and said that he wanted to take over the club. And I was, just never really happened. So, what are you going to do? You live and you learn. I had a fun time running it. And then I got into motorcycles. And here we are, doing motovlogs. Trying to start a business. Good times. But seriously, if you guys want some lanyards, let me know. Make something happen. Oh, yeah. That's not gonna happen. People are so funny, man. Oh, shit! It's a 5-0! Should make that the thumbnail. I guess you guys will find out. I guess I should also name this video, I crashed a car meet. That seems entirely appropriate. I'm actually almost there though. And it started at 8:30. And it's now 8:47. That lady looked like she did not want any of my nonsense. Where's everyone at though? Where everyone be though? I guess I'm here. Oh, that's dope. We are here. Alright guys, I'm going to take an intermission and I'll be back. Well, Carmen was pretty lit. Handed out some business cards. Hung out with a couple friends I haven't seen in a minute. Good times, good times. Now I get to get home and edit this video. And, yeah. Should be fun. I'm not going to bore you with guys with a 45-minute ride back to my house. So, I will end this here. Maybe I'll turn the GoPro on if I see something exciting. We'll see. Definitely kind of getting better at these wheelies. Enough that people think that I actually know what I'm doing. So, thank you again, Gavin. I'll work on keeping that throttle revved out so I don't let off it. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends about me.